Hello 7th graders, Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to continue our previous topic. It's about adding and subtracting fractions. I'm sure that you have learned about this when you were in elementary school. Okay, so today we just review it. Okay, to add or subtract fractions, you have to equalize the denominator first or make the denominators to be the same. Okay. There are several steps to be followed by you if you want to add or subtract the fractions. The first one is if the denominators are the same, so we just add or subtract the numerators. Okay. Now the second one, how if the denominators are different? So we can write the fractions as equivalent fractions with the same denominator, or we just make the denominator same, equalize the denominator, then add or subtract the numerators after the denominator the same. Okay. After it, you will get the answer. And after you get the answer, you can simplify the answer into its simplest form. How if your answer is an improper fraction? So we can write it as a mixed number. Okay, let's see the work example 7.5. Okay, here work these out. So we have three different questions. The first one is 4 out of 5 minus 3 out of 5. Okay, look at the denominators. Are they the same? Yeah, 5 and 5 because they are already the same. So we just simply subtract the numerator. So 4 minus 3 equals to 1. So we have 1 out of 5. Let the 5 be 5. Okay. Now the second one, 7 out of 8 plus 5 out of 8. How about the denominators? Yes, they are the same. So we just add the numerators. 7 plus 5 equals to 12. So 8 be 8. The answer will be 12 out of 8. But in here, because we have an improper fractions, the numerator greater than denominator, the number above the fraction bar is greater than the number below the fraction bar. So we have an improper fraction, so we can make it into a mixed number. By dividing 12 by 8 is 1. So we have 4 left. So 4 out of 8. So 12 out of 8 is 1, 4 out of 8. What do you think? Is it the simplest form? No. So we have to make it into the simplest form. Okay, 4 out of 8. So we can divide both of them by 4. So we have 1 out of 2. So 7 over 8 plus 5 over 8 equals to 1 out of 2. Okay, or 1.5. Okay, the next one, how about 5 out of 6 plus 1 out of 3? Okay, here we have the different denominators, right? 6 and 3. So we have to make the denominators the same. Okay, by finding the lowest common multiple or KPK in bahasa of 6 and 3. So we have 6, right? So 5 out of 6 still 5 out of 6. How about the 3? 3 becomes 6 times 2. 1 becomes 2 times 2. Okay, so we have 5 out of 6 plus 2 out of 6. Because the denominators already the same, so we just add the numerators. So we have 5 plus 2 equals 7 out of 6. Okay, what do you think about 7 out of 6? Is it improper or a proper fraction? Yes, it's improper fraction. So we can make it into a mixed number. Okay, by 7 divided by 6 is 1. So we have 1 left. 1 out of 6. Okay, so 5 out of 6 plus 1 out of 3 equals to 1. 1 out of 6. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to do all the assignment on the LMS about adding and subtracting fractions. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.